Hey, Zach here with GSMS. I'm going to share a couple of quick tips with you so you can prepare best for install day. Let's get started. If we're installing a mini split system for you, wherever we're going to put the indoor heads, make sure you take off things like pictures on the wall, clear countertops, and if you have any furniture, pull it out of the way so we can set up a ladder and safely work without affecting anything, like this. If there are any areas in the home where we talked about we're going to run lines or piping, please make sure you pull out any material or large objects in storage and out of the way so that way we can easily access the areas where we need to work, especially if it's down in a basement or up in an attic where we put a lot of our stuff, like this. In the location where we said we're going to put your outdoor unit, if there's any flowers, shrubs, trees, or objects that we ask to have moved, please ensure that they're dug up and tucked out of the way when we come for install day. If we're installing a furnace or boiler for you, wherever we talked about putting the vent, make sure that it's clear and free of shrubbery or bushes, because we're going to have to be able to get in here to install our new venting. If we're changing out your hot water system, make sure that everyone takes a shower so that way we're ready to go, because there will be no hot water for the whole day while we're working. If we're changing out your heating system and it's wintertime, make sure you turn up your temperature in the house so that way you get it nice and toasty before we come. Because remember, while we're changing out your system, there will be no heating or cooling during that period of time. If you have a garage or an unfinished basement spot where we could set up shop and store our equipment and materials while we're working at your home, we greatly appreciate it. Also, if you have a vehicle and you're going to plan on leaving the home, please make sure you park it out on the street so that way we don't block you in when we come to do our work. Lastly, for the period of time that we're scheduled to do work at your home, please ensure that you don't have any other contractors or guests coming to the home. It's not that we don't like working with great people, but we want to make sure that we have clear and free access so that way we can stay on schedule. That's all we've got for tips for you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon for install day. As always, make it a great day.